Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today I'm really excited because I have the Ipsy BoxyCharm box. Okay, I've got my reading glasses on, and I got my Ipsy BoxyCharm box ready to look into. The first thing I have in here is, of course, just in time for Halloween, October. That is really cute and very easy to create if you don't have the money or you don't want to overspend on making a Halloween costume. This is called Beauty Nightmares. Oh wow, four beauty frights lurking around the corner. And this is the dark glam creator TikTok hasn't told you about yet. And then finally, try these 3 Halloween looks if you dare. This is really cute. Probably pretty easy to create at home with stuff around the house. And again, it has a lovely, talks about classic beauty frights, eerie eyebrows, terrifying spray tans, and then of course here, resting witch face, which I really love. Is it a coincidence that she has red hair? I don't know. You tell me. And then down here, it's giving nightmare before glitzness. I guess that's the latest. Okay, now time to dive in. First thing I see here I'm already loving is from Tula. This is the Tula skincare line. And it's the 24/7 Ultra Hydration. You can see that on camera here. Anything about skincare, I love. This is the Triple Hydra Complex Day and Night Cream or Serum. Nice. Let's see what it looks like inside real quick. I can open it. Oh, I got it open in one shot, and I love this. Ooh, this is very interesting. Feels like a hard plastic, not exactly glass, but it has a little bit of heft, and that's what it looks like. I don't know if you could see in there. It has like bubbles, like suspended bubbles in there. Looks pretty magical. I'm curious to try it. Guess you have to shake it. All right. Definitely going to try that because I love Tula. I think I mentioned that before. Their cleanser, the classic cleanser. It's in my standard kit of washing my face. The next thing I have here is from Tovgan. I'll put the name here. I hope I'm pronouncing right. And this is the Green Glow Lip Cream. Green Glow Up Cream. Okay. For a moment, I thought it was like going to be a mud mask. It just gives that coloring and the tub-like look. So let's see. I'm really loving these skin-loving options. Oh, it has a pleasant scent. I can't place my finger on what the scent is, but I'll open this for you so you can see. Oh, it's like a gel, like a green gel. Very wicked. It's almost like a pudding. That's what it's giving. It smells clean. But again, if you're not into any fragrances, this may not be for you. But it has that custardy pudding texture. And I like that. I've never heard of the brand before, so I will be checking that out for sure. Again, bravo already to skin-friendly products. Loving that. Next thing I have in here is from Ciate London. This is the Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. Lately, a lot of these makeup brands are coming out with their skin tints. So I'm all for it. It's a nice switch from wearing foundation. Let's see how it looks inside real quick. Okay. I was expecting it to be bigger, like almost like a bottle similar to this, maybe like squarish looking, like the container, but it's a tube. Let me know in the comments below. Well, maybe I'll just try this in a future video, but if you're curious, let me know in the comments below if you want this featured on its own. I like Ciate London. They come out with some interesting products, I have to admit. I like that watermelon. The spray. Awesome. Next thing I have in here is from Tatcha. I think this is an add-on. I will post somewhere around here and indicate whether something was already, part of the box, it was a chosen thing, or it was an add-on. This was definitely an add-on. And what is this? I like Tatcha. It's expensive, which is why I don't have any full size of their products here. I think this was recently featured. I came across something. I think this is the nightly one, the overnight one. I don't know if you can see that there. The packaging is gorgeous though. I'm already smelling a little something. Do I smell something? But that's what it looks like in there, in the container. Looks fairly thick. So I will just do this real quick. Oh yeah. Let me see. Has a light scent, but it's not overt. I can't wait to try it. Okay, the next thing I see in here is from Fresh, and this is from the Sugar line, watermelon. I wonder if this is for the lip. Hydrating lip balm, yes. I love Fresh. They're a great brand. And this is the packaging. I'm just going to throw this in my bag for the fall to winter because let's open this first so you can see. Very nice there. Very nice. And then we just, it doesn't come with a, does it come with something? No, it doesn't come with a little spatula or anything, which I'm kind of disappointed about. This feels like it's full size. I'm the only one that's going to use it anyway. Clean fingers. Going. It smells so fresh, like fresh fruit. Fresh, juicy fruit. So if you're into any scents, this isn't for you, but I am here for it. I love it. It's not tinted, but that's fine. This will definitely do. I love it. I love it already. I'm glad I got it. The next thing I have in here is from Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. Oh! Yeah, this box is really bringing it with the skincare, isn't it? Now, I got smaller samples of this because they were selling them, I think, at Ipsy a couple of months back, and I was intrigued to try one. Now I managed to get a full size. I am loving it. It's really good, really hydrating. I adore. So Laneige is a great brand. I can't wait to try this. I mean, the packaging is everything. This is actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like emblazoned. Do you see that? Yeah, right there. And this is kind of raised a little. Very sexy. The packaging is gorgeous. Kind of reminds me a little of like the mimicking of Tatcha, which they have the different colors of their packaging, and so does Laneige. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Love that. Love that already. Okay. Woohoo! There's still more. The next thing I have in here is from Makeup Forever, and this is their Mist and Fix 24-hour. I think this is the setting spray. Yes. Because it's that time of year. The packaging, this is amazing. I love that symbol. Red, black, and white, you can't go wrong. I'll show you what this looks like on the inside. Beautiful, classic. I love it. Mist and Fix. Now, I don't usually wear my makeup for 24 hours, but it's nice to know that it's telling me in a nice, polite way. It'll stay put. It'll stay put for the next, 5, 10, hours if I need it. I like makeup forever. The next, this is what I've been waiting for, and I'm glad I was able to get a hold of at least one of them. This is the kimchi puff puff and pass. Puff puff pass. Okay. And I think this is the lavender one, which is what I really wanted. Yes, it's the lavender one. Amazing. I have the regular one, the original. Love it. So I am thrilled, beyond thrilled, to have been able to get this. Okay. And it comes. I just love the pack. How pretty this is. It's like almost like a bar of soap. It's like the Spanish soaps, if you ever seen them. I think you know what I'm talking about. And then it's going to wrap it like so. This is going to be my new favorite for the fall. Look at that. Packaging is so, oh. Oh, the little powder puff. I love the little powder puff. It's so, so cute. I haven't had the heart to like throw these in the wash. You know, maybe put them in the lingerie bag and see. But they're so cute and so luxurious and so fluffy. And there is, it comes in, you know, the little sifter thing like so. Oh, I can't wait to try it. I don't smell anything, which is, it's just fine. Can't wait to try this baby. Really good powder. I like how it goes on my skin. I don't look cakey with it. It's finely milled. African Botanics. And I think this is a mineral cleansing mask because, you know, it's that time of year. Your skin kind of gets clogged looking. And for me, my skin doesn't look as glowy or as hydrated. Dry weather does that. So I tend to throw on a mask at least 2 or 3 times during the winter. So I can't wait to try this and see what it's about. Finally, last but certainly not least, it looks like a little itty bitty sample. Okay. I think I paid for this sample because this is from Tarte, I believe. Yes. And this is those, they're kind of like the Awake pencil. I think that's what it is. Yes. It's much longer than this. This is like half the size of it. But this is what you put on to make yourself look more awake. I don't know if you can see that, but you see that? And you put that like in the innards of your eye and here, and it sort of makes you look more awake. So I like that. I had one of them around, but it was a while ago and I don't know if I still had it. So I said, let me just pick one of these up, throw in my bag, keep it moving. Okay. So I am delighted, absolutely delighted with the selection I got this month with Ipsy BoxyCharm. What do you think? Did you get anything similar? Are you a charmer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know in the comments below what you received in your box and what you found was great for you. Again, let me know in the comments below. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.